Welcome guys to another gardening vlog. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and if you have been with us, welcome back. So today on the channel we're going to be transplanting aloe vera pups. So this is my aloe vera that I've had for almost a year, and when I planted it was a pup. As you can see right now, it has grown so big and it has produced other pups. So today I will show you guys how to transplant aloe vera pups. So if you're interested, keep watching. So this is the container I will be transplanting the aloe vera pup to. So this is her new home. She's leaving mama's house, she's going to her home. So I've prepared the potting mix and I've put it, and in case you want to see what my potting mix is made up of, you can check out the video on my channel. So I'll just go right ahead and loosen up her roots. So don't mind my plastic fork. I find out that the fork is very gentle on my plants, so I like using it, especially when I have to do root work. So I'm loosening the pulp from the roots without affecting the mother plant. So right now the argument is going on. Mom, I want to leave your house. I'm tired of staying in this house. The mommy says, stay, you are not old enough. But then in the end, she wins. The pup wins the argument. She's leaving. So when you are transplanting aloe vera pups, you want to make sure the pups you have actually have roots. If not, they might not survive. It is very, very hard for them to survive if they don't have roots. So you can see this one I've removed. It has roots. It has a long one and other short ones. So that is the guarantee that your pup is going to make it, especially in the tropics, in the tropical regions where there's a lot of water and heat. So now we've gotten mama aloe out of the way. Let's prepare baby aloe's new apartment. So I'll just go ahead and make a hole in the center. Some people actually like the aloe veras to dry a bit, maybe for a day before planting, but I just go right ahead and plant her immediately, but I will not water. So I'll make a hole that is quite deep and then push the roots in and cover her lightly with soil, and I won't do any pressing down. This is because I want the roots to sort of arrange themselves, so I'm not going to press. I'll just lightly use soil, as you can see, to just hold her in place. Then she will now be the ones to arrange her roots and then start growing. So now that I have planted, I will not water her. I will just leave her on my balcony. I'll water her next tomorrow, that is after 2 days. This is because aloe veras, they don't need a lot of water. As soon as she starts growing, I can actually just water her for once a week, but I'll leave her. No water will enter into her pot until next tomorrow. So guys, that's how to transplant your aloe vera pup. So some people might be wondering, aloe vera is actually a very good plant that you can use for its many health benefits. I think we all know that aloe vera is very good for your hair. It is actually a natural conditioner. It can help you to loosen tangles in your hair, especially in natural hair. And then you can actually use aloe vera to make hair growth mixtures. Add it into your hair care products like shampoo and other things. Aloe vera, when taken as juice, also helps with stomach problems. And then you can use the aloe vera gel. If you turn it into ice cubes, you can use it to treat skin irritations, insect bites, and skin problems generally. So if you want to see a recipe of me making aloe vera ice cubes, do check out the channel. So that's it guys. I hope you have learned a few things from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one. Bye.